Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to another speed build, and today we have a speed build of the 2001, I believe, Troll on the Loose set. Very cool set, one of my favorites. So here are all our pieces here, so quite a few of them, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, everybody, so here is the finished build. So, obviously you get a Troll and Harry. So I really like the sink design here. I like that there is a door, so you can put more stuff over here if you wanted to. You can drop some stuff on the Troll. Obviously if he's standing there, so you just, tilt that down. But that's pretty much it. I wish they kind of would have added a little bit more, but obviously still a really great set.
I don't care if they're talking about us. No.